Are you looking for the top 5 best lighted mirrors for bathrooms? Struggling to get the perfect lighting in your bathroom while doing your makeup or shaving? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Low AAO LED Bathroom Mirror. Introducing the Low AAO 24 by 32 LED bathroom mirror, priced at $89.99. What really caught my attention was its dual lighting feature that combines backlit and frontlit options. If you want a mirror that brightens up your routine, this is worth a serious look. What sets this mirror apart is its adjustable brightness and 3 color temperature options: warm 3000K, natural 4000K, and cool 6000K. This means you can customize the lighting to see how your makeup looks in different environments, which is super handy. Plus, the anti-fog function keeps your mirror clear after a steamy shower, and the memory function remembers your last setting. No more fiddling around each time. Sold over 1,000 times in just the last month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the anti-fog feature only working from the center outwards, which can be a bit annoying. Here's the thing though, it still does a decent job, especially if you turn it on before showering. If you want a mirror that delivers consistent results, this one is still a solid pick despite that. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish and functional mirror that makes your morning routine easier. Skip this one if you need a mirror that's effective all the way to the edges, but at this price point, it's a great value. Now,
Product number 2, FunTouch Rechargeable Vanity Mirror. Next up is the FunTouch 5000 mAh rechargeable wall-mounted makeup mirror, priced at just $36.99. The rechargeable battery caught my eye, making it super convenient to use without worrying about cords or dead batteries. If you want a flexible, easily installed option, this is definitely worth considering. This mirror features a double-sided design with 1x and 30x magnification, which is perfect for those precise makeup applications or skincare routines. The 360-degree rotation and extendable arm means you can adjust it exactly how you want, making it easy to see every angle. Plus, it has 3 color lighting options to match your environment, helping you get your look just right. I noticed it has already sold over 900 units recently, showing it's a hit with customers. However, there have been some complaints about the 30x magnification being a bit too intense for some users. Honestly, if you're not comfortable with such close detail, this might not be for you. But if you love precision in your routine, it could be a game changer. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, space-saving mirror that provides incredible detail. Skip this one if you prefer a standard magnification. For the price, it's a fantastic option. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next
Product number 3. Trahome LED Vanity Mirror. The Trahome 36 by 24 LED bathroom vanity mirror comes in at $89.99. The large size and dual front and back lighting sold me on this one right away. If you want a versatile mirror that works in any room, this is a fantastic option. This mirror offers 3 color temperatures and dimmable lighting, letting you easily adjust for whatever mood you're in. The anti-fog feature works with a smart indicator, which is actually a nice touch. Plus, it remembers your last settings, so no more resets. With over 400 units sold this month, it's clearly popular for a reason. Some users mentioned that the installation could be a bit tricky, especially if you're not handy. But honestly, I found it straightforward enough, especially with the included instructions. If you're someone who likes to DIY your home decor, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish mirror that can fit in any room, from the bathroom to the bedroom.
Product number 4, Loa Loa 28x36 LED Mirror. Next, we have the Loa Loa 28x36 LED Bathroom Mirror, priced at $129.42. The larger size and enhanced features immediately caught my attention. If you want a spacious mirror with all the bells and whistles, this one is definitely worth a look. This model also features backlit and frontlit options, which means you get an even, bright light perfect for all your grooming needs. It has similar dimmable brightness and color temperature options as the previous Loa Loa model, but the bigger size is a definite plus for those who need more surface area. It's shatterproof and designed to last, ensuring you'll have a clear reflection for years. I was surprised to see it sold over 200 times recently, showing it's gaining traction. Now, some users pointed out that it's pricier than other models. I get that, but if you're after a premium experience with all the features you need, it's still a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you want a top-tier mirror that combines size and functionality. Skip
Product number 5. Wismeals LED Bathroom Mirror. Last but not least is the Wismeals 24x32 LED Bathroom Mirror, priced at $89.99. This one caught my eye because of its brighter light output, which is perfect for those tricky makeup sessions. If you want a reliable mirror that makes sure you see every detail, this is a great choice. The combination of backlit and frontlit design makes it exceptionally bright, which is a huge plus. Plus, it has the same 3 color temperature options, along with an automatic anti-fog feature that activates before your shower. It's made of shatterproof tempered glass, making it both safe and durable. With over 200 sales recently, it's clearly making an impact. That being said, some users noted that the installation can be a little cumbersome. I understand that can be a hassle, but I found the included instructions made it pretty manageable. If you're willing to put in a little time for a great mirror, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a bright, durable mirror that doesn't skimp on features. Skip this one if you're not up for some installation work, but honestly... So, we've covered a variety of great options. The LOAA 24x32 for dual lighting, the Fun Touch for portability, the Trahome for versatility, the LOAA 28x36 for size and quality, and the Wismeals for brightness. Trusty. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the LOAA 28x36 because it offers the best combination of size and features that cater to all your grooming needs. Avoid the Fun Touch if you're not comfortable with